Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start privacy compliance with OneTrust step by step clearly. To start privacy compliance with OneTrust, begin by accessing the OneTrust platform. Create your account by registering with your organization's details. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate to the Privacy Center, which serves as your central hub for compliance activities. Select the Assessments tab to begin evaluating your current privacy practices. Initiate a new assessment by choosing the relevant framework for your organization. Complete the assessment questionnaire, providing accurate responses for each section. Review the assessment results to identify areas that require improvement. Next, proceed to the Data Mapping section to understand your data flows. Begin mapping your data by identifying all personal data collected by your organization. Document where the data is stored, how it's used, and who has access to it. Utilize OneTrust's Data Inventory feature to maintain an organized record of your data assets. After mapping, head to the Vendor Management section to assess third-party risks. Evaluate existing vendor contracts and privacy policies to ensure compliance. Upload necessary documents to the OneTrust platform for easy access and management. Now, focus on privacy notices and policies by going to the Privacy Notices tab. Customize templates to create transparent privacy notices for your website and applications. Ensure that the updated notices comply with relevant regulations such as GDPR or CCPA. After completing your notices, implement them across your digital touchpoints. Next, set up a training program using OneTrust's training resources. Identify team members who require privacy training and schedule sessions accordingly. Monitor attendance and completion rates to ensure everyone is informed. Finally, establish a continuous monitoring process. Regularly review your compliance status using OneTrust's reporting feature. Utilize the insights gained to adapt your privacy practices as regulations change. With these steps, you will be well on your way to establishing privacy compliance using OneTrust. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.